All right, taking a live look out at downtown Tampa right now. Meteorologist James Hopkins is back with us. We had a whole bunch of rain move through the area earlier, and it looks like the weekend is possibly going to be soggy for some places.
Yeah, kind of like a repeat of what we've had today so far. And we're just going to see rounds where some areas get it in the morning and others get it in the afternoon. But the good news is it's not going to be a complete washout. So if you have some outdoor plans for this weekend, definitely need to download the 10 Tampa Bay app so you can track the storms, because again, they'll be rolling through. And look what's going on right now. So again, this started up early this morning with this huge batch that you see offshore. That kind of developed here, moved its way down and then out. Now, this is what we're dealing with right now. And as you can see, some heavy rain just kind of developing out of nowhere. We got a lot of moisture out there, and we have a trough that's moving its way across the state. That is the trigger for this. And you can see not moving very much. Hardy County is pretty wet and has been for the past couple of hours, but it's gradually drifting its way up towards the north and northwest. So where we just looked at the Tampa cam, looks dark off in the distance because it's looking down this way at that. So that is really going to be your forecast for the rest of the day today and the rest of the weekend. So again, the trough is the trigger for this, and which is what we had this morning. This is a trough that was created actually by those storms, called an outflow boundary. But that trough moving its way across and offshore, it's what's going to bring us a higher rain chance for today and all the way through the weekend. So 90, maybe. We got a lot of spots in the 80s. Now, there are some spots around us that are in the 90s, but Tampa, again, dry for maybe the next hour or so, might get up to 90, but good chance for those storms throughout the afternoon. Your marine forecast, again, not looking pretty good. And you can see off the coast there, it's pretty cloudy, a big batch moving its way out. Moderate chop of the bay sees at 2 to 3 feet. There's a low rip current risk for the day today, but UV index only at 8 with some of that thick cloud cover out there. So weather impact alert is for the next 4 days. We might trim off Monday. It just all depends on, again, this low that we've been talking about. But it's going to be rounds of rain with some flooding. We saw some this morning. If you watch for the weather show, saw some catfish walking down the road. So again, it was very wet out there this morning. National Hurricane Center has kind of shifted this over from the Big Bend all the way up Pensacola. See, there's Mobile Bay, so just down to the south of that, and I'll show you why with some of the forecast models. This is our in-house. This is the future cast. So again, just kind of a wider picture. There is the low developing, and see how it just kind of hangs out. There's 8 a.m. on Sunday, and I'll show you this so you can notice the difference of the next forecast model where this low is, but continue to watch it drift. Again, Panama City, Pensacola, Mobile, eventually going to watch it circulate its way Monday to Tuesday up this way. That is what this forecast model shows. Here's your European model. Again, same thing. There's the trough moved its way across today. We go Saturday into Sunday. There's 8 a.m. Sunday. Look how far. And again, your other model was over here. See how far north that is. So that will be the determination about how much rain we're going to get. We're going to get rain this weekend. We'll just see how much. So here's the rest of the day today. You see that heavy batch moving its way up towards the north and off to the west, and could see things maybe quiet for the evening commute. We'll see. But then here's your weekend. We'll start out with some coastal showers. We'll see them just expanding inland throughout your afternoon. There is Saturday evening. Things will gradually wind down kind of late. Sunday, going to see the same thing, some coastal showers. We'll see that expanding inland as we go throughout your afternoon and into the evening into Monday morning. Forecasted rainfall, again, this is your graph model. This is our local model that I just showed you, and you can see anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches of rain. Maybe some isolated areas about 3. European model, about 1 to 2 inches of rain. So again, it's going to come in bands. There's your 7-day forecast. And again, weather impact alert now all the way through the weekend and to start next week. As those rain chances go down towards midweek, the temperatures, they go back up.
All right, thank you, James. And don't forget, our weather team is streaming live every day with in-depth forecasts. You can watch them through the free 10 Tampa Bay News app today at 4:30 and again tonight at 8.